Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Maheshkariya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this today's session, I'm gonna take you through something special. And this is something you have already seen the thumbnail, right? So it means it's going to be very special video for me as well, because it's been a long time that I was waiting for such a UI and such a like backend as a service provider where we can replace the Firebase because of costing of Firebase. Okay, because we don't have the data into our own servers and we don't have that kind of flexibility. So that kind of things that we want is so we can store something or somewhere that we can see or we can dig into it. Okay, so it's kind of open source platform which is Supabase, and it is still in beta, but it's almost production ready because lots of tweets have gone through where it according to them they have migrated millions of their like users into their Supabase database, which is in the background they are using PostgreSQL for the real time things. Okay, like geo tracking and like all the chatting applications that we were dependent into the Firebase only. Nowadays that you can replace the Firebase with Supabase, and there are lots of alternatives out there as well, like AppWrite. So AppWrite we did video on yesterday. So now it's kind of Supabase, which is kind of better, we can say, than AppRed because it's in 0.22, I guess, the GitHub release, and which is one step ahead than AppRed. So I'm not like comparing those two, but without wasting any time we can start, and I'm also doing this for the very first time. So it's a kind of real time video where I'm going to explore the things and I'm gonna share my experience with you. So it's a more like reaction video, you can say. But let's deep dive into it. Okay. So I have this doc open. So what I did is simply search for superbase.com, hit enter, and you will get this nice beautiful UI where you can click here on get started. And this is, as they said, that this is okay. I'm going to sign in with the GitHub. Okay, let me see, and authorize the personal user data read only. Make sure to read this thing properly. And here we go. So this is the very first time I'm looking into it because I have read lots of articles, lots of tweets about that, and for the very first time we are going to explore this thing. So create new project, the very first thing. Okay, organization is this, project name is YouTube test. Okay, the database password for now I'm not going to use this thing. Let me use, oh, uh don't use it. Let me use it, mind mahesh at 123. Oh, you need a stronger password. So anyways, though, let me fill this password with this. Okay, sounds good. Now I need to grab this thing as well. 0 month, $0 per month. But there is one more thing. We can set up this entire process in our local system as well with using Docker. So don't worry about that. We are going to do the same as well. Okay, we'll do the both the ways. Okay, so let me try this way. Let's see what are their price and what plans they have. Let me see in more details. So we can, so in zero, in a free version we are getting 500 MB of database and 1 GB of file storage, which is not bad. 2 GB of bandwidth, really very nice, impressive. 550 MB of file uploads. Okay, so single file should not be more than 50 MB, which is nice. So social auth providers, of course, we get free 50,000 monthly active users, which is okay to get started with. Once you scale your things, you can put this into your local machine and you can make EC2 instance and Azure things, whatever you like. So yeah, this is 1 day log retention, which is good. After that, once you have that kind of user base, then you can move forward with the $25 thing where we have 8 GB of database. Great. 100 gigs of file storage, and onward 7 days of log things. Okay. And for enterprise you can contact with them as well, enterprise. So $25, it's not that bad, it's fine. So first we'll choose this get started thing. Okay, so it's already $0. So let me create new project quickly, and here we go. It's going to take time. Okay, failed to create new project and error. It's already giving me error. Why? I'm not sure. Because of this region, I'm in India, so it is AP South one that I know. So let me try to do this once again. Hopefully, it should work this time. Okay, because of that region, I faced issues. So it's completely fine. We got our project API keys. We got service role. Let me grab this thing quickly somewhere in the here. Okay, so it's not a good practice though, but I wanted to be very honest kind of video, to make honest kind of video, so that's why I'm doing this. By the way, I'm going to delete this thing as well once I'm done with recording, and reveal this thing. This is my service role, and here we go. So we have three things. This is my password, this is key, and this is secret. Okay, so this is a kind of secret and key that you will get in order to connect with any front end, React, Flutter, Nest, Next, whatever you prefer. Connecting to YouTube test already. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, great. So we got something over here. Table editor. Let's get right into it. Okay. So yeah, you can see Expo Starter, Nest, Next, React Native, Savely, and the pronunciation is Savely, I guess. I'm not sure though. I've seen the video of the official creator of Savely. Uh, okay, React to-do list and all. So let's get started with the table first. Okay, so table editor. Let's see what's going on there. Create a new table. Oh, great. Nice, beautiful UI. Users description, I don't want anything. Enable row level security, restrict to access table, enabling RLS. Oh, recommended. Okay, so anyone modify and delete your data. Okay, I'm not sure though, but it's fine. It's recommended, highly recommended. So that's what we are doing here. Great. Now the UI is looking really very nice. So we can do the things over here. Let me go to varchar. Okay, I'm familiar with varchar only for now. Name, email. Okay, this is similar to what we are doing here is going to be stored into the Postgres only, so you can choose accordingly. And what you can do, you can connect their Postgres link directly to your Postgres PG admin thing as well, so you will be very comfortable with PG admin if you have like big data, because I have worked on few projects where I used to work upon Postgres. And yeah, this is it. I'm not going to use this thing for now. Let's save this thing. Let's see what's going on over there. I just wanted to be sure that everything is working fine, or still of course it will work, but even though insert row, let's see the UI. Automatically it will generate. Okay, fine. The name will be Mahesh, let's say. And here we go. So yeah, this is working. Of course it will work. Authentication, let's see what we have in authentication. So invite thing, Mahesh, let me add my personal email address. It's maheshkariya@gmail.com. So let's see what we are getting here. So we'll get invite. So invite is sent successfully. We got user ID over here, but I haven't got the mail yet, because let me check quickly. And gmail.com, let me go there. I have a bunch of emails. Let me see if we got something. You have invited. Oh great, so we got accept invitation. Let's see. Oh, somebody connect to the server. I'm not sure though. Oh, create the local host. You have been invited to create user on. Oh, whatever. I'm not sure though. What's it's happening here? Let's go back. Let me try to refresh if there is something. Is oh, whatever. I'm not about sure about this thing. So let's go there into the storage. We can create the buckets. Okay. So like the DB for now public bucket, so anyone can read your content like images and stuff. So you can create your DB over here. DB my DB or DB my. Okay. Why the only dot heavens are allowed? Okay. My database. Okay, my bucket should be the proper one, but okay. So here create a bucket I did already. Let's see what we have. Nice beautiful UI we got. CSV file. I'm not sure what is this CSV file is all about. UDM. For now, let me upload this thing. Okay, so this is cool. This is great. Copy URL. Let me try to open this thing somewhere. Hopefully it should work. Yeah, we got the access key here. So let me close this up quickly. Unwanted things, and here we go. So this is kind of things that we can do from the API side. So let's go to the API directly. We don't need to spend much time over here. A few things. Let me see what we have here. Scripts. Create table. Okay, the scripts we have already in order to create table. If you want to do something over there in database, we have in here each functions. That's what I was talking about, the serverless thing that we are getting here. Supabase function, new hello world. Supabase, okay, curl command that is going to be used to post something in there. Okay, okay. So like the way we can create, for that we need a CLI of course. So for that we can refer the documentation. Few things are remaining. Let me explore that and then we'll move forward to the things. Yeah, the documentation part is really very awesome. You will let me show you quickly. I that many of things. You can click here. You can get started with your Angular things, create new. Let me resize the thing. So yeah, like the way you can directly install this dependency if you are using React, Angular, Nest, whatever it may be, just go ahead with that dependency. But if you are using Flutter, Flutter is in beta, I guess. I'm not sure though, but yeah, Flutter you can use as well. So like the way you need to add into the Android manifest file few kind of permissions, and after that in here in iOS file also you need a few permissions, which is okay. In Firebase also we do same thing, so it's completely fine. And this the complete code is given main.dart auth state and uh, the auth required state and onwards. Okay, so like the way you can follow the code, you can create your own things, because I'm not going to code and to do something because there's not specific video to the some specific developer. No, no matter from which background you're coming from, this is for you. The Supabase is for you guys. So let's see, the database things are given over here and all the things are given properly. Let me go back quickly to my project. And the thing, each functions we have seen, we can create our own functions, which is great. And log explorer, so we have. Oh, great. So it's a kind of CloudWatch, I guess. So we can see and monitor the logs, what's going on over here. And if some functions are getting filled, then we can monitor those things over here. That's it seems like. I'm not sure though, but yeah. And templates. I'm not sure about the templates, but okay. Preview and this. Okay, the templates through which we can explore the docs, sorry, the logs. Okay, so the kind of very awesome things are given over here. It's not it's kind of good thing. Upgrade option is there also to get the $25 thing. Create report. Okay, let me hit this thing. I'm not sure what is report. Add first. Oh wow, great. So all API usage, real time connection. Wow, great. It seems something is happening over here. This- Actually, let me try database API request, gate request, all the post batch option request. Wow, great. Auth API for the first time. I'm seeing this nice, beautiful, simple UI where I can understand everything, storage things. If something is happening in storage, real-time APIs, you can monitor all the things, all the requests, real-time connection request, and all. Wow, really very nice. Let me do the database thing. Gate request, let's say. I'm not sure though, but let me do one thing quickly. I'm not sure it will work or not, but here I have that link that I'm going to hit somewhere, and I'm going to see that in reports it's getting reflected or not. I forgot to save the things. So get request. Okay, save the changes. Now it will work, hopefully. So uh, this is real time. I'm not sure though why it is not working. Okay. So somehow through that API only we'll get this thing. Uh, it's not database, sorry, it's a storage. Sorry. Save changes. Hopefully this time it should work. Not sure though. It's in real time now. Why not? This is not working. Uh, oh. Supabase, I'm not sure why it's not working. May take 24 hours for data to show. Oh my god. So I thought it's a real time. Okay. Uh, Sorry. So what we have here, API docs. API docs, it's really awesome. npm install Supabase. I know this thing, initializing the things and connecting the things. Authentication though, all the things are given. Okay, great. User management things are given. Sign up, login, all the basic things are given already, so we don't need to worry about the further things. OTP, okay. So the phone number, OTP, all the things that we used to do there in Firebase, we can do here as well. It's a really very nice thing that I have got this opportunity to look into it in front of you guys, because it's kind of honest reaction. Uh, oh, GraphQL is there with Apollo. Wow, very nice, Supabase. It's a nice documentation. I'm really very impressed, because that's the thing that what developer needs to know in order to get familiar with any open source things. Okay, if you have a good documentation, anyone can, like, the kind of user base that you will get quickly, and this is really very nice, feels good. Settings, the last thing, I guess. Reference id. Okay, so I can refer to someone. Okay, okay, fair enough. I can add this thing over there in the chat description, I guess, but even though I need to delete this thing. Hmm. Cloud provider, AWS. Oh, cloud provider is, we can configure the cloud provider like Azure and GCP like that. Let me try this. Somewhere I can edit this thing. Or is this default? Oh, okay. Is this default? And we can delete the project as well. I don't want to delete it. So this is it. Database space is already 11 MB. Host. Yeah, this is something that I was talking about. The database Postgres. You can directly connect this thing. Let me try quickly. If I'm not sure though, but I have a database. Great connection. Let's say. Okay, I'm not sure if I can connect to Postgres. Okay, the extension needs to unlock all the feature. Uh, good mode, no. Anyways, let me try first. So host, Postgres, password you have provided when created. Okay, I have this password. This one, I guess, they are talking about this password. I need to enter to the password. Hopefully it should connect. Use SSL, I forgot, I guess. Wow, it's connected. so you can connect to your PG admin as well. Okay, so wow, it's really very nice. I'm impressed once again. uh, of course it will connect. Why not? I'm reacting like this. Of course it's production ready. Most of download certificate. Oh, okay, I can download the certificate. Okay, okay, not bad. Connection string, this is very important. No matter like you came from .NET, Node.js, PHP, Python family, you can get your thing. Okay, the password you need to enter over here. That's why the @ was not supported over there, because somehow the @ will eliminate the kind of thing. So don't use @ over here. That's what I know for now. Okay. Okay. Anyways, let's go. Pull more transactions, specify the connection. Okay, transactional queries are they are talking about? I'm not sure though. Okay. Authentication and all. So this is it, I guess. I'm really very impressed. JWT expiry time limit you can set here. If you guys are not familiar with, or I hope you're familiar with JWT expiry limit, you should control. Okay, if some user logged in before 1 day and somehow he got JWT, he can do anything with that JWT to any account. So using Postman, or so it's very simple to hack to any service. So please try to update this thing. Okay, so it, oh my god, oh my god, so light is gone. So I'm not going to pause this video. I'm not sure how I'm looking like, but I'm not going to pause this video. I need to create a genuine content. Though, let me, what I can do here, I can open my thing and let me go there to my OBS, and I can, video capture I can turn off. So it would be great for you guys. Now I can hide this thing and we can proceed with the further things. So, template. So this template I'm not sure about. Email templates. Wow, great! We have email templates already. So where we can invite the user, magic link, change email address, reset password. Wow, great! So there are lots of things are there already, and now we'll go to the best part to why this is open source. Okay, so Supabase, I'm going to search .com, and now I'm going to go to the documentation part. Okay, and where we will get the Docker things. Okay, here somewhere I hope we'll get the Flutter thing that we already got already. So do one thing like Supabase Docker setup. Okay, somehow with Docker, yeah, this one I was talking about. So what you can do, you can take a clone. Let me go there, let me close this up quickly, let me open something. Okay, so let me create new directory test. Inside that test I'm gonna hit everything, Control V, enter. It's going to take time to clone, I guess, because according to your internet connection, of course. So it's kind of okay. It's receiving quickly. It's good. Anyways, now we'll go to Supabase. Then we are going to copy this to this. Means there is an example env is given, so we are going to use the same, and then we are going to use Docker Composer. If you don't have Docker, you first need to install Docker in order to run this Supabase Studio locally. So what you can do, you can search for Docker, and make sure to install this Docker, and then only you can proceed with the further things. Okay, so this is how it will work, and let me show you the thing. This is taking more than usual time, but it's fine, it's fine. We are going to wait for them, and till then we will try to explore the vlog. I used to say vlogs, it's vlogs. Okay, so YouTube videos are given as well, so you can go ahead with this tutorials if you want, guys. The function new, the CLI we need to install. So through that CLI, let me try to open this CLI thing. And because once we get that, okay, brew, if you guys are not familiar about brew, in the Mac you can use brew CLI in order to install git and lots of other packages. And you can install brew on Linux as well, so through the brew you can install the Supabase. So it's all your choice how you will install the uh, this thing. But if you are using WSL in Windows, of course you can install the brew, and after that you can install the Supabase. So like the way it will work. Okay, and let me try to install in another terminal. Okay, and here we go. Okay, it's downloading the things. After that we'll do Supabase upgrade. No need to upgrade anything. Okay, in Windows you have Scoop. So through that Scoop you can install things, and in Linux also you can install the brew as well. As I told you guys, in Linux as well you can do the same. Okay, once we have it, then only we can proceed with the login. This Supabase login, let me do this thing if we can. Let me see. It's 34 only. Not sure how much time it will take in order to clone the things. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. Generate token. Okay, so the token that I got, that I can grab this token from here to here, and invalid access token format. I'm not sure why, because it was as it is. No, then I've copied the exact token what I have got over there. So I'm not sure why this is not working, which token they are talking about. So you can generate the access token from there. Okay, sorry, I need to generate the access token, then only it will work. So let me try to get access. This is also a secured kind of thing that we are getting from here. Like in AWS we used to get that, used to create IAM user and secret things. So my secret. Okay, generate the token. We got the token, and now we can log in through that particular token only. So this is a kind of secured login, seems like. Okay, now let's go back to the things that I was talking to you about, guys. Supabase. Why I'm not getting this? Okay, I missed. Okay, so Supabase init. Let me try this hello world first. Hopefully it should work. And hello world. Oh wow, we got it something already over here. So let me see what we have in Supabase. I haven't got Supabase hello world. Okay, inside functions we got this one. Let me try to change the directory, and where we have Supabase once again. So what Supabase two times? Not sure. So somewhere this is cloning here. Let me make another directory, fun. So inside that function only we are going to do the things. Let me do this thing first, so it will be visible to you guys. And after that, Supabase functions new hello world created. Okay, let me see how. Again Supabase, they are creating Supabase thing only. So let me see how it looks like in test function index.ts. Wow, just a single file. Seems pretty nice. And Supabase, that's it, just single file, and we can deploy it. Oh great. Oh great, let me try this. So how it works? Okay, you can find the project reference through here. Okay, let me open this thing. Let me see what we got there. The 404. Okay, so why they're getting in project reference? Not sure what. the project reference is, but somewhat it is okay. Now we are started to seeing this request, which is really very nice. So we are getting this anyways, so somehow we can deploy this thing as well. Not sure though how it's working. And if we go to the YouTube test, and we don't have setting general API, grab this thing, JWT thing, not sure. So yeah, this is the thing. I'm not going to deep dive into it now. I'm going to change the directory to Supabase. Let's get back to the thing that we were talking about, documentation once again. Supabase Docker, I lost it. Supabase Docker, quickly, here we go. Change the directory, this one. And now we can go into, we can do the Docker composer. Okay, so make sure to use sudo if you are on Linux or Mac, and then docker hyphen compose up. So it's going to look for the compose file, and it's going to create all the containers that are needed in order to run this Super Studio locally, and then only it will work. So wow, everything is happening quickly because I uh okay, it's not taking that much of time, and somehow it's working really very nice. Wait for that. Okay, and now I can turn on my camera quickly. Let me do this thing, and here we go. Let me hide this thing once again, and yeah, this is done. I guess we can get this localhost colon 4000. I'm not sure that if it will work or not. I'm also doing this for the very first time, so it should not work. Real-time endpoint. Okay, so this is my real-time endpoint, and okay, it's still doing something. Okay, so let's wait for that in order to finish all the things. Or localhost colon 3000 should be the default port. Okay, okay, the 3000 is the default port. Now here in default projects, you can see now we are running this thing locally. So and we have limited functions over here. I'm not sure though why uh as compared to that one, but it's fine. We got, and if you have this Docker extension, you can install this Docker extension from this extensions. So you can see all the images that we got and all the containers that are running here. So Postgres, go through Meta, real-time storage API, Kong. Okay, they are using Kong. So, and the latest one, this one for the UI. So yeah, this is it, I guess, for this tutorial, because it was a kind of reaction like session only. But I'm really very impressed. Overall review is really very nice, really very good, Supabase. And that's it for this tutorial. So thank you so much, all of you guys, for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side. Definitely I'll make it for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and smash that like button. And you can use this thanks button as well. Nowadays we are getting in, like, you can check there. uh, so too, it will help us to grow our channel, even though $1 is enough, I guess. So thank you so much. Bye bye. And let me turn this off.